Just another typical day. Let's see. Oh yeah, there she goes. Look at that. Pouring out of her. Weibang. Shittest mower in the world. Can't even cut grass in the rain. Look at it. It's fucking... It's absolutely dog shite. Look here, just pumping out. Mate, it's ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. So I managed to do one run around the garden, and the bag is telling, well, not even one run around the garden, and the bag is telling me that it's full. Let's check. I bet you, look at, blocked, solid. There we are, a full bag. It's not even two a bag. Weibang svp50, whatever the shit it's called. It's the shittest mower in the world. You're honestly better off with a Mountfield or a Champion or fucking electric fly mower at this point. The balls shit. All I did then was put the bag on, started, moved 2 foot, and it's saying the bag is full again. I didn't even move 2 foot, sorry, 2 inches. And it's saying the bag is full again because it just blocks this mower in the world. Like, it really is shit mower. It's not bad. Garden, had to empty the bag 12 times. 12 times. And each time it was about 1/3 of the way full. Just got that one to do now. But I swear to God, if anybody wants a free mower, I spent like 600 quid buying this. The shittest mower in the world. Honest to God, you'd be better off with a fucking goat.